Connecting Kendis to Jira Cloud is simple. Follow these steps. Ensure you are using Jira Cloud by checking the URL. It must end with .atlassian.net. Click on the settings and select ALM accounts. Click on Add ALM account. Select Jira from the first dropdown. In account name, give a label like Jira Connection. Type your Jira URL. Use the email address that you use at Jira to log in. You need to use the Jira API token here. Click on Create a new token link. Click on Create API token. Label the token, for example, for Kendis Connection. Copy the token and paste it here. Test connection. Check that everything looks good. Select Story Points field. You can skip NextGen for now. It is for team-managed projects. Select Due Date and press Save. Your Connect to Jira is now ready. Next step is to create your board and select this ALM account that you created. That's all. You are all set.